Welcome to Sheet Director. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on. Simplify data exchange between apps with Sheet Director, query data, post info from Sheets to apps, and keep everything in sync. In this video, we will see how Sheet Director can help you to automate the integration between Google Sheets and Google Classroom. Let's launch Sheet Director and choose Google Classroom from the available list of applications. Now we will sign up for Google Classroom to connect. Google Classroom is connected. I will name the service as Classroom Query Service. I'll then choose the query service. I'll choose the Google Classroom courses as an entity, and then select the required fields from the fields list. Additionally, I'll also set the max results to 25, limiting the Google Classroom courses data to 25. For the destination settings, I'll select the Courses Sheet tab to present all the values from Google Classroom. By default, it begins from cell A1. Also, we have the option to create a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon. And turn on or off the Include Header and Clear Sheet before getting the courses. I will proceed to execute by clicking on the Execute button. Upon successful execution, we can see that the chosen fields from the list are effectively brought from the Google Classroom and seamlessly presented within the selected sheet. With Sheet Director, you can effortlessly harness the magic of Google Classroom to query your course's data directly within Google Sheets. Experience the future of organization and data synergy with the Sheet Director. Thanks for watching the video.